All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol ATHE. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome to Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys learned something new and find this informative. For all of you guys that have subscribed already, just double check if you've hit the bell. If you haven't already, I encourage you to, so you don't miss a single video that I post. And even about other ticker symbols you may not be involved in, it's always good to see what's going on in other sectors of the market and just different stocks that are moving fairly quickly and differently than others, and you may have overlooked or overseen, and that way you can be enlightened and informed. So highly encourage you guys to hit the bell. And I just want to say thank you to all subscribers for your support, commenting down below, any investors questions and viewers questions, and you guys engaging in conversation, healthy conversations with one another, and that speaks volumes about the community that we're building here, and that's my goal here. So I want to say thank you for you all there, and let's jump into this chart. So very bullish run, super bullish. Now this leveling off and slightly falling off is bound to happen because whoever came in here was going to take profits here. Now the question is, what do we look for to know if this is going to continue? And that is why I am here to show you guys the resistance level and the support level. Resistance level is 398. If that gets broken through by the bulls and used as support, this could test new resistance levels and work its way up onto a bullish rally. And on the other hand, the support level is 329. This closed out at 339. So if it breaks through support, it's not something to be too concerned about, depending on how fast it breaks through it and how fast it starts to move to lower supports, because it will be well on its way closer to the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is 244. Why is that important? Well, if this stock crosses 244, right, this could be well on its way to bearish territory. 244 is the point that lets us know, right? It's the equator right now between bullish territory and bearish territory. Now, two things can happen. If this support gets broken through and it hangs out around here, it could be brought back up. But if it continues to tear, and it does tear through the 50-day moving average, bears are gaining control. Now they're going to have to maintain control. And one way for them to lose control is that the bulls find the price that is attractive to them somewhere down here in bearish territory, load up on stocks, and bring this one back up. So I'd pay close attention to how it reacts. But something that's going to be very healthy is if this has a bullish run, but a bullish run in a staircase form, not in the way that it had it today, right? And it will start to move its way up, right, to newer highs. Not in the way that it had it here, because it literally had an upward trend and it went right back down and it leveled out. When you look at that, right, that doesn't really show you that it was a healthy bullish run. And I'm going to draw that line compared to this. I want you guys to remember this, right? Keep this in mind. Um, Compared to that, this is what this stock did all the way from down here. It went like that. It fell back down, went like that, fell back down, and went like that. And then it just did this. It leveled off. It came from down here, yeah, and it rose to up here, but it leveled off right here. So honestly, that's a very quick jump and fall. It was only 3 bars, and then there was only like 4 more good bars of obviously the bulls bringing it up. This one doesn't really count because that's actually the resistance level and the highest point before this close. But between all of these, that's only a total of 7 green bars. There's actually more red bars than green bars, interesting enough. But it's just, it has to be a healthy run. It really does. If it's not one of those staircase healthy runs, it'd be something to keep a really close eye on how it reacts throughout the day, because there could be too much volatility like it did here and then just level off again. And this is already at 50% from the high, and this is already 100% above from the low. So it fell down significantly, and it's already closer to the low than to the high. So interesting enough, It was a very big run for the bulls. It was a very volatile stock today. There were opportunities to day trade this from here, from here, from here, and even from here to here, but a lot of risk involved on this one. So I keep a close eye. Again, I can't stress that enough, and I want to emphasize that. Tomorrow, we'll see how this one plays out. And as always, if you guys learn something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And click on that button up top that's popping up of that video. If you haven't already seen that series of mine where I talk about how the stock market is not going to crash and why it's not crashing for now, that's been confirmed for the month of July. Check it out and you can see how the trend of the market is going up and why it's happening. So definitely check that out. And after that video, if you want to check through the whole series, there's a few videos, same name as that video, where I'm talking about how this has been building up to that point. So don't miss out on that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.